Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing MainStay Suites Denham Springs, Baton Rouge East. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Set in Denham Springs, MainStay Suites Denham Springs, Baton Rouge East has a fitness center, BBQ facilities and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Guests will find a 24-hour front desk, a shared lounge, a business center and laundry service at the property. Baton Rouge is 12 miles from the hotel, while Hammond is 30 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Baton Rouge Metropolitan Airport, 12 miles from Candlewood Denham Springs. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.